The one-step hot blower brush combines 4-in-1, a straightener, curler, hair dryer, and comb all in one easy-to-use tool. Here you'll see the ball-tipped bristles designed with nylon and tufted bristles to smoothen and volumize your hair. The oval-shaped brush design prevents hair tangling, and the handle has an ergonomic shape that makes it easier to hold and use. There are 3 heat settings, including a low heat setting for thinner hair or a high heat setting for thicker hair. To turn on the brush and change the heat setting, make sure to plug it in and then twist here to adjust.